Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can ship a parcel on DHL. So I'm gonna be showing you a step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So in order to ship a parcel, first thing you need to open up your web browser and then you need to type in the link that is www.dhl.com. After you click on the link, you'll be taken to the official site. On this page, you'll be able to see the terms and policy regarding the package or the shipment that you make. Make sure to go through all of these following statements. As you can see, there are all the information regarding the shipment or the package that you can ship. So once you've gone through all of these information, right at the bottom you'll be able to see an option as contact us to ship now today. Just click on this option and then you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to select whether you are a business customer or a personal shipper. So select the method, and after that you need to enter in your email address and mark on this terms and condition in order to proceed on. Once you're done entering your information, and click on submit in the bottom left corner of your screen. So as you can see, on the other side you'll need to register. So for that you can enter in all of your information, and after that you'll be taken to the shipment page where you'll need to provide first of all your email address as you are the sender, and after that you also need to provide the shipment details. That includes entering all the details of your product too, and make sure to provide the correct information of the recipient. Once you're done entering the recipient's detail, now you need to choose the option that suits your shipping needs. And after that you need to review all of the information provided, and all you need to do is wait patiently until the courier will pick up your shipment at your doorstep. In this way you can ship your parcel on DHL. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.